have volunteers preparing the meal that we're going to serve today.
It's definitely easy. It's fun. I'm not a very big cook, but I can chop and rinse like nobody's business, so I'm glad I can help.
We serve a meal every single day. We're the only soup kitchen here in the Chippewa Valley to do that.
This is all garbage, right?
We utilize 3,000 volunteers to serve 40,000 meals annually.
They said they were actually doing mostly leftovers, so I think we're kind of got it easy tonight.
The chairs needed to be fixed. We're having people clean up the kids area, wipe down the windows, clean the bathrooms. We're getting a lot done tonight.
I've only been with group health since 2017. When the email came out, I thought, heck yeah, that sounds super fun.
A lot of the stuff that they offer for us to help with in the community, I would never have had the outlet probably to actually do these types of things. So that's what makes it so wonderful for me.
It's wonderful to hear the volunteers that choose to be here when they could really be anywhere else.
It definitely speaks to our mission statement, and it definitely gives us an opportunity to be in our community and doing things with the people that we actually serve, and just giving back a little bit and doing it on work time is even cooler.
As I'm making this meal, I think about, who's going to be eating it, and that people are going to be eating this food, and what would I want to see if I were in their shoes, and I try to make it as good as I possibly can for that purpose.
It means a lot to the community table to have groups such as Group Health Cooperative come in and spend their time when they could be getting things done at the office, helping us out to prepare and serve our meal here.